well, I'm gonna have to. This is gonna be a bit awkward. Here we go. Here we go. Salut, mein Name ist Andy, and das ist Julian, and zusammen Sie mir Andy and Julian. That was bloody terrible. That was. That's if you didn't know what that is, that's Portuguese. Not Portuguese. What am I saying? I don't know. It's actually Luxembourgish. It's the
official language.
Well, it's not the official language because they've got 4 languages that they speak, but Luxembourgish is one. But they also speak German, French, and Portuguese, I think.
No, it's Italian.
Anyway, as I said, today we're actually in Luxembourg. We've been here for a couple of days, and we're staying at this lovely campsite. It's called Hugh Burkelt. And actually, because we're here, we're actually in Luxembourg. We still haven't put the sticker on yet, so let's go and put the sticker on.
Okay.
Is it recorded?
Yes.
Right. Here we are, and there's the Luxembourg flag with the red at the top. So we're going to stick that on for because we're in Luxembourg. So put that red at the top. And you go down here. Have you got that in, Julian?
Yeah.
Not got me back in. Preferably for the flag, Julian.
Yeah, I've got the flag. Yeah.
Right then. There you go. Luxembourg flag done.
Wow!
This is Hugh Burkelt. This is the swimming pool area. The big building over there is the indoor swimming pool. And down all there is the bar and restaurant. There's our motorhome over there. I'm just walking towards it. It's absolutely lovely. We've been here a couple of days and it's been absolutely superb. Well, we've actually stayed an extra day. Right, today we're off to a waterfall, which is about 10 kilometres away from where we are. We're off on our bikes. The waterfall's called
Schiessentumple.
and we're looking forward to it, so we'll see you when we get there. Is that a speed camera? Wonder if they'll get my speed. Yay, booyaka, 31. Well, we just stopped off a little bit on our ride up to this waterfall. How are you finding the ride?
Oh, yeah, beautiful. Scenery is beautiful.
Yeah.
And the smell of the pine as we were coming into this sort of like canopy of trees. It was lovely.
Absolutely, yeah. It's good job we got them electric bikes, though, isn't it?
I was thinking of the hills on the way back.
Oh no! I mean, there's some big hills, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
Did you see the speed I got through that village? You know when you go in on the thing?
Yes.
Yeah, I got 31.
Yeah,
What did you
I got
get?
29.
Yeah, speed king.
Yeah, I'd have got a thumbs up. I did.
Yeah.
So
All right, let's crack on then and get to the waterfall.
Right, we're on the bridge of the waterfall now. It's really pretty and beautiful,
Yeah.
especially on a nice sunny day like it is.
This is just from the bridge overlooking it. We'll go down in a second. We'll go down to there and take a picture looking back the other way. Oh yeah, it's it from here, but it's really, really. Right, just get the drone, off we go with the drone. That's me pretending to be a drone, Gillian.
No, come on off the road.
All right. Well, we're back from our cycle tour down to the waterfall. Like I said, it was about 10 kilometres away. It was really nice, wasn't it?
It was a really nice ride.
I mean, don't get me wrong, it ain't no Niagara Falls, is it?
No.
No, it's
No.
it was just like a little waterfall, but it was a nice ride out. It was got us out on the bikes. Some nice big hills, weren't there? So
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
all right with the bikes, and we stopped off on the way back. Had a cheeky little beer, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
So it was So we're just chilling out now by the pool, and we're all set ready for tomorrow, which we're going to head back into Germany, out into the
Yes.
to the Black Forest region. So we'll probably next time we'll see you probably sometime then. So until then,
Goodbye from me and you.
and goodbye from both of us. Bye.
Bye. Oh, hey, just thought, can we go to Niagara Falls?
No.